I wonder what's going to happen in this video. Where's the cat? Is it snow? Oh my goodness. Ha, the cat came out of nowhere. Ha. Oh, whoops, it's recording. Let me get rid of this and get rid of that. Okay. Smartboard lesson. Let's look at two fractions. Got to find the common denominator. First of all, you've got to list all the multiples of these two numbers. So 9, 18, 27, 36, 45. That's pretty good. Sometimes you need to go further. Sometimes you're good with those numbers. Let's just move them over here. And then different color, 6, 12, 18. And also remember that the numbers that are already listed count. So if 6 was over here, I could circle them. 18, 24, 30. Now, do I have any yet? Let's see. 12, 18. Looks like we have a winner. All right, once we have our number, this is called the least common. Sorry, it's hard to write with the smartboard. Oh, I should have just done the text. Of course. Well, too late now. Denom. Actually, my real handwriting isn't all that much better than this. Denom, but I'm a fantastic typer. Least common denominator, or LCD. LCD, let's see here. I'm going to undo that. And so that's the LCD. Let's make sure all that's in the screen. LCD. It's important that we have the LCD of 18 and that we know what it is. Now I'm going to get rid of all of this. Normally I'd leave it, but we're short on space here on the smartboard, so I'm just going to delete it. We know it's 18 though. So let's go ahead and our new fractions. That's a little bit hard to read. 8s are really hard on the smartboard, the software anyway. 18. By the way, you can use smartboard software at home. I do it all the time. But the actual smartboard itself, it can only be found usually in schools. But it's still kind of fun to use. So what do we need to do? We need to have 18 as our new common denominator for both fractions, the 2 9s and 5 6. So we need to, this 9 goes to 18, and that looks like a times 2 to me. Times 2, that means the top is times 2. So 2 times 2 is 4. Just for clarity, I'm going to use a different color here. 6 to get to 18 is times 6, 12, 18, 3, and then the 5 has to also be a times 3. 5 times 3 is 15. So, because the bottoms are the same, the denominators are both 18, now we can add them. We couldn't add them before because 9 and 6 are totally different worlds. I mean, they're different kinds of fractions. You can't add them as they are here. So all you have to do is, once we have the 18, that was our least common denominator. So we can turn them both into 18ths, because 18ths will go evenly. So 18 on the bottom means we can add the top, which gives us 19 over 18. Now that could also look like, and you should include this in your answer, this is the answer, 19/18. But remember, 1 whole is 18 over 18. Any number that's the same on the top or bottom is equal to 1. And you can see 18 is clearly on the top and the bottom. It's just 1 more than 18 on the top, 19. So if you take it out, it's 1 whole, 18 over 18, plus 1 extra, or remainder, over 18. It's a little easier to see and picture this, 1 whole and 1/18. And that's pretty much it. Yeah, I'm going to call it a day and get back to that funny video with the cats. I will see you guys back here later, whoever's watching. Bye-bye.